Attorney, who can diagnose mental illnesses in the Philippines? Ang sagot po natin, currently, only medical doctors are allowed to make medical diagnosis. Tulad ng sa taas, a diagnosis which is a medical major depressive disorder. Gagamitin natin yung criteria ng Diagnostic Statistical Manual 5. Yung iba naman, pwedeng gumamit ng ICD or International Classification of Disease. Counting background lang, the Philippine Medical Act of 1959 provides that medical doctors are allowed to diagnose, treat, operate, prescribe any illness, be it physical, be it mental, or psychical condition as long as you're a registered medical doctor in the Philippines. Magbigay tayo ng halimbawa using this example. Major depressive disorder. Indicator A, makikita natin dyan